Hey tech enthusiasts! Want to control your laptop from your smartphone? In 2024, it's super easy thanks to remote desktop apps, cloud services, and better connectivity. Let's dive into the most popular methods. First up, remote desktop applications. For Windows users, download the Microsoft Remote Desktop app on your smartphone. On your Windows laptop, go to Settings, System, Remote Desktop, and turn on Enable Remote Desktop. Note your PC name. Open the app on your phone, tap the plus sign to add a new connection. Enter your PC name and log in. Tap on your laptop name to connect. Next, for Windows, macOS, and Linux, install Chrome Remote Desktop on your laptop from the Chrome Web Store. Set up remote access and follow the instructions. Download the Chrome Remote Desktop app on your phone. Log into the same Google account on both devices. Tap your laptop's name in the app and enter the PIN. Now for any platform, install TeamViewer on your laptop and create an account. Install the TeamViewer app on your phone. Log in on both devices. Tap your laptop listed under Computers and Contacts to connect. Also for cross-platform control, download and install AnyDesk on both your laptop and smartphone. Open the app on both devices. Enter your laptop's address from AnyDesk in the phone app. Accept the connection on your laptop. You're good to go. For file access, cloud storage is your friend. Use Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to sync files between your laptop and phone. Want a secure connection? Set up a VPN to access your laptop's shared files remotely. Need to power on your laptop remotely? Enable Wake on LAN in your BIOS settings and use a Wake on LAN app on your phone. For advanced features, try paid apps like SplashTop or LogMeIn. They offer higher security, multiple screens, and high-quality video streaming. And that's it. Whether you need remote control or just file access, these tools make it easy to connect your laptop and smartphone in 2024. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you next time.